What is going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in on today's vlog. Hope you guys are having a great day, because I sure as hell am. It is 8 o'clock now, and I'm going to a Euro-only car meet that's in Doral, and I'm going to be taking this Camaro. This is my personal vehicle, and I'm actually going to park this car away from the crowd. I don't want to be that guy to, spoil the whole meet. I'll probably get kicked out too, so I'm just going to film, get some nice clips, see the cool cars that are there, meet some awesome people that are there. You gotta love that American V8, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's start going. So I'm actually on my way right now to a gas station to meet up with my friend Frankie with the C606 in my last vlog, and we're gonna go over there and head out. Hopefully we don't crash it with our awesome American V8s. America! So I'm here at the Shell gas station waiting for Frankie now. It's ironic because he actually has a C606 and those things are killer fast, and he's late. And he finally made it. Frankie actually got something new for his car, and I won't be showing you what it is in this vlog. Probably another vlog or when I review the car. Anyways, we're on our way now to the meet, so please enjoy some clips of us getting there. So we just made it to the meet. I'm gonna try parking my car away from the Euro meet because I kind of want to keep it authentic, respectful towards the meet, the guys that organized it. So let's go ahead and take a look. These cars here are over 25 years old, and if you look at how perfect condition they are, it's phenomenal. Like what these guys are able to do, and the restoration, and the amount of effort, and the amount of love that is given to these cars. It's insane. It's insane, and you really truly appreciate that they're able to keep it that original from the factory look, and it's awesome. How you liking the thing, bro? How you liking it, lit? Is that a baby seat? Baby seat. No fucks given. Yo, whoever's Z01 is this.
It's a V6.
Tag the owner, yeah.
I wonder how he got the paint to look like that.
Yeah, I know, like the raindrops.
Yeah, that's a very cool paint.
I don't think he drags it though. It's not meant for drag. Dude. That dog. thought your inheritance was gonna be a brand new Wrangler and you ended up getting a Porsche. We want to call this like the asteroid belt. Frankie says it's the more you know. Asteroid belt looking head ass. Damn. Real quick, SLS AMG or AMG GT. What do you guys prefer? Definitely, I'm going with the SLS. That is like way classier. Obviously, the AMG GT is a lot better in performance, but come on, man.
What about if it was a GTR? Like an AMG
no, because
GT?
then you can actually.
Because this is an AMG.
This is, I think it's just a regular one. Yeah, if it was a Black Series, then that's no question.
They really are.
Awesome.
Did you know that? I'm dead ass serious.
This was gonna be the bike.
No, Daimler and Chrysler at the time. Right. That is a Hemi block.
What? What the f?
Are you guys going to?
Right now at
11. Okay. So we got a crew coming in about 11:30.
Yeah.
Shut up! Oh my God, I don't care!
Frankie, I was completely off. I said 2013 or 14.
No, you weren't that bad.
I mean, they only made it to 2011, right? To 14.
It's a second gen SLS.
Look at this wagon. Yes, get those angles, bro. So the owner of the Viper that I did that video for, this is his daily, which is a Miata. He did a lot of stuff to it. It's actually, is it for sale?
It's not for sale.
But it's pretty clean. It's never been used, garage kept.
Yep. And carbon fiber wrapped all this stuff.
So what does these do?
Well, not yet.
I thought it would have been blinkers.
I'm gonna do accent lighting,
Oh, okay.
and then I was gonna do a cutout, but I used it for something else.
Nice.
No.
This. That concludes this night's vlog. Thanks for tuning in on the vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. So guys, comment what you guys thought of me. Should I be coming to more of these? Don't forget to put on the notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Subscribe, and guys, thanks again. See you next time.